Hey, I have a lot of gadgets here in front of me, but the main purpose of this video is this HDMI Audio Embedder. And I made a purchase of 3 PTZ cameras a while back, the Tong Vios. They've been great. This is an example of one of them. They have the SDI and HDMI out. That's what I wanted. But what I neglected to pay attention to was the fact that you can't put audio into this PTZ cameras. None of the 3 that I bought. So that became a problem. So that's where I discovered an HDMI Audio Embedder, meaning that this little device, you take your HDMI feed out of your camera into this box. You also take your audio feed, which is a line in, mine's a mini, and put it right into this. And then what it does is on the HDMI out, it now has the audio and the video together, feeding your switcher or what your record device or however you're capturing the video from your camera. And a couple of the little nice features that I have some other little gadgets to make it a little easier. So say I want 2 microphones in this line in. So there it is. It's just a mini. And I have an adapter that gives me 2 channels. I also picked up these short little 90 minis. Goes right in there like that. And in this situation here, I have my Comica Boom XD wireless. They have a mini out. These have been great. I also have these HoloLens, which is what I'm using now. And it has the same thing. It has a receiver that has a mini out. And they're pairs. I'll plug those into here. That'll get the feed of audio and video out of this so it can go right to my switcher. Now you do need to have, it comes with this little power cable. It's a 5-volt. Goes in there like that, but you also are going to need a little brick, a little block, because it doesn't come with this. So you need to have your USB style, goes in there to power this. So now I have converted my PTZ that had no audio abilities to now have audio in the video feed running to my switcher or to whatever your record device is. So I just wanted to point out HDMI Audio Embedder, and away I've got 2 mics with my little gadgets, my little splitters. You need your little power supply, and of course however you're powering your mics, but it is a mini in. So that made it easy here. If you don't have the mini and you have XLRs, well obviously you're going to need a 3 XLR to mini input to make all this work. Hope you found this informational, and the little device works great.